This is part 2 to the video of Holden getting a gift from his new little brother.
Please.
You ready, Holden, for a present?
Please.
Say please.
Please.
And you know who it's from? Is that from baby?
Xander.
Is that from baby Xander? Let's see. Oh, wow.
From the piece.
Wow, yeah. Okay, let's see what it
Open
is.
the card.
Hi.
No.
Holden, oh, maybe Mommy will open the
Let's
card.
see what Xander has to say.
Holden, let's not open that on Mommy's tummy, okay?
Open.
There. Can you open it there?
Open. Open.
For you.
Open.
Dear Holden, this is your new baby brother Xander. I'm so excited to be your little brother.
Please.
I hope you like this gift to you on my birthday. Love, Xander.
From baby Xander.
Yes.
Alright, let's get to it, Holden.
Look at this. Wow. What is it?
Oh.
Wow, Xander's a good rapper.
Yeah, you wrapped that
Hold
tight.
on, let's see.
Oh.
What is that, Holden?
Is that Woody? Woody!
Holden, can you say thank you? Holden, say thank you.
You're
Good
welcome.
boy. Thank you, Xander. Talk to you soon, Mommy.
Bye-bye.